Was there Yiddish in your home?
Yes. My parents spoke Yiddish to each other, and all the relatives spoke Yiddish to each other. The children spoke in English, but we all knew. The reason I have a good memory is because Yiddish language is so expressive that sometimes you can't say it in English. And we knew all my mother's expression, and she was very repetitious. And you know, when my father didn't want to sign the papers, she'd say, "Geh in dreh da rein." You know, and that was so juicy. You can't say "go into the earth" in English. So we had to know Jewish to express ourselves properly. A shmagegi, a shmamil, a schlepper. A schlepper became a drag, and a shlemiel, I guess that became an idiot, but it wasn't quite the same. And you know, you have to have your Jewish language to be expressive enough. And I met my grandmother on my father's side. We were not, the families were at odds. They were not speaking to each other. And finally, when my grandmother died, I was sent to my father's mother to stay with her while my grandmother was dying in my bed at home. And then I met my father's mother for the first time. And she said to me, "Kennst du reden Yiddish?" And I said, "Ich rede ein bisschen, nur ich verstehe a lot." And I didn't know the word for a lot.